Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Lincoln Aviator garage door opener, updated. Start by parking close to the garage door opener, turn the ignition to run, and clear any old codes. Locate your vehicle's home link or universal garage door button cluster, and prepare the original remote. We will walk through button presses, syncing methods, and quick checks to confirm the door responds before you finish programming. Begin by putting the vehicle into programming mode using the home link sequence found on the visor or console. Hold the original garage remote near the vehicle button while pressing both buttons until the indicator light begins to flash. If the opener uses a Learn button, press it on the motor and then immediately activate the vehicle button to complete syncing. Always test the door a few times to confirm reliable operation and adjust if needed. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. On another note, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker to bring voice control and timers into your garage or workshop, making hands-free operation and quick checks easier while you work. It pairs well with smart garage systems and small workspaces. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If programming does not take, first replace the remote battery and retry the sequence, then move the vehicle closer to the opener. Confirm whether your garage motor uses a Learn button or rolling code. Rolling codes require pressing the Learn button on the motor and then within 30 seconds reactivating your vehicle button. If older codes cause conflicts, perform a home link reset in the vehicle and start the process fresh to avoid pairing errors later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.